This is going to be a real quick video about one thing I had forgot to upload the other day of that raghee horner stuff. You can see here's the raghee horner wave. And again, when the price closes below the wave, I start becoming interested in selling. When it closes above the wave, I start becoming interested in buying. Does not mean I buy or sell. It means I become interested in it. And this is all it does. It's, if you remember the video earlier, I had the different uh, waves on there for the different time frames. That's just so if I get down to like a 15-minute, say, I can look at the other time frames waves. But I also do the same thing here quite often. I'll just use this. And there is the 5-minute. So you can see a direction, DIR, and it's a red arrows down. Direction, that's 15-minute, is down. So in other words, it's below the wave. 30, 60, 240 daily. The only place it is above the wave is on the weekly. And the weekly to me is somewhat important. But it does not necessarily mean that I'm not going to trade against it. But it is very important. Let's look at the weekly. Here's the weekly. It's still above. By the time it hits my profit target there, it will be in the wave. So the arrows will be, I really can't even remember what the arrows will be. Probably wishy-washy. Probably one, up and down both, but a different color or something. Actually forgotten. But that's it is above the weekly. And however, we have a zigzag that's up, and if we had put the alma on there, I can almost guarantee you the alma would be turning down. So I'm kind of discounting the weekly in this case. And all I'm going with is the daily. And you can see my lot size there, 0.02. My profit target will be, put this over to profit target, $3.60 USD. I'm perfectly happy with $3.60 on this trade. I'm perfectly happy with that. And I think probably if more people became happy with less, they'd probably do better. It's when I try to make $1,000 in a trade that I end up in trouble. I'd rather just sit here and just nickel and dime it. $10 here, $10 there, $10 here. Those $10 add up. Just like that $3 and whatever it is adds up. There's been quite a few of them that have closed already this morning. But anyway, I'll post the code like always on enivid site, earnforex.com. It'll be in the probably indicators we use section of the indicators on his forum, earnforex.com.